what is the reading of this weighing machine going to be? So from the weighing machine perspective, all that it cares about is what is the force that it is experiencing. Okay, and this force will be coming from the wedge, because the block is on the wedge. We don't have to worry about the block. So let us say this force is n prime, and in retaliation the scale is applying force F. Okay, so we have to find out this n prime. Now let's look at the wedge. So what is happening is that the block is sliding down, okay, and it is exerting a force n. As it is moving, it is exerting this force n. Okay, so from the wedge perspective, it is experiencing this force n, and it is experiencing this force F from the scale. Okay, so let's balance these forces as the wedge is not moving. So for vertical balance, since this angle is theta, so we can say n cos theta is equal to F, because this angle will also be theta. So all we have to do is we need to find this value of n. Okay, now n, for finding n, now we will think from the perspective of the block. As the block is moving, the block has mass m, okay, and it is experiencing force n, and this is mg. For this situation, we know that if we split mg into two components, this component is mg cos theta, this is mg sin theta. So by balancing, we know that n is equal to mg cos theta. That means F is nothing but mg cos square theta. Cos 30 is going to be root 3 by 2. So the answer is 3 mg by 4.